Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to solve the exercise of chapter number 6, acids, alkalis or bases and salts. Question number 1, filling the blanks. First statement, acids react with bases to form salt and dash. In place of dash we have to write salts because salts and water are produced when acids react with bases and this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Second statement, vinegar contains dash acid. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Third statement, tartaric acid is present in dash. Tartaric acid is present in grapes. Fourth statement, bases have dash taste. Beta bases have bitter taste. Fifth statement, all alkalis are bases. But all bases are not alkalis because all bases are not soluble in water. Sixth statement, bases have dash touch. Bases have soapy touch. Seventh statement, sodium hydroxide is also called dash. Sodium hydroxide is also called caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide is commonly known as caustic soda. Question number 6.2, take for correct and cross for the incorrect statement. Statement number 1, acid is found in grapes. Acetic acid is found in grapes. It is incorrect statement because acetic acid is found in vinegar. Second statement, all carbonates react with mineral acids liberating carbon dioxide gas. This statement is true. Third statement, acids turn red litmus blue. This is wrong statement because acids turn blue litmus red. Fourth statement, all bases do not dissolve in water. This is correct statement. Fifth statement, solution of a base has a soapy touch. This is also correct statement. Question number 6.3, encircle the correct option. First statement, the king of chemicals is option A, potassium hydroxide, option B, hydrochloric acid, option C, sulfuric acid H2SO4, option D, sodium metal Na. The correct option is C, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is the king of all the chemicals. Second statement, sodium hydroxide solution in water will option A, turn blue litmus red, option B, give pink color with phenolphthalein, option C, give red color with methyl orange, option D, not affect the phenolphthalein indicator. Correct option is B, give pink color with phenolphthalein. Statement number 3, when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, the milkiness is due to the compound A, calcium hydrogen carbonate CaHCO3 whole twice, B, calcium carbonate CaCO3, C, carbonic acid H2CO3, D, calcium oxide CaO. The correct option is B, calcium carbonate CaCO3. Because calcium carbonate is insoluble in water, it appears as precipitates. Statement number 4, lactic acid is found in A, grapes, option B, tomatoes, option C, ants' sting, option D, yogurt. Correct option is D, yogurt, because yogurt contains lactic acid. Statement number 5, which is not the salt of phosphoric acid? A, sodium phosphate Na3PO4, B, sodium dihydrogen phosphate NaH2PO4, C, sodium hydrogen phosphide Na2HPO3, D, sodium hydrogen phosphate Na2HPO4. Correct option is C. This is not the salt of phosphoric acid. Sodium carbonate is an important salt used for many purposes in industries. Which acid is reacted with sodium hydroxide to get it? Option A, oxalic acid. Option B, citric acid. Option C, carbonic acid. Option D, acetic acid. Correct option is C, carbonic acid. Question number 6.4. Give short answers. Part 1. Define an acid. The answer is on page number 78. It will start from this line. Acids can be defined as the compounds which produce hydrogen ion in their aqueous solution. Fruits have sour taste due to citric acid. Part 2. Name 3 mineral acids. The answer is on page number 79. Beta, this is the table that some important mineral acids and their formulae: hydrochloric acid HCl, nitric acid HNO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, phosphoric acid H3PO4. Part 3. State 3 properties of acids. The answer is on page number 80 and 81. First property of acids is that all acids have a sour taste. Second property is that all acids turn blue litmus solution and methyl orange solution red. Third property is that strong acids are corrosive liquids. They burn skin and destroy fabrics and animal tissues. Fourth part of question number 6.4. Mention the uses of two salts in industries. The answer is on page number 90. Uses of salts in industry. Students, you can mention any two uses from these that are mentioned A, B, C, D, E, and I will suggest you that you should learn all these. Question number 6.4, part 5. Name a salt which can reduce the acidity in our stomach. Beta, sodium bicarbonate reduces stomach acid. It is used as an antacid to treat heartburn, indigestion and upset stomach. Part 6. What happens when a salt like copper sulfate reacts with water? When the salt sodium sulfate reacts with water, it results in the formation of another particular salt called as copper sulfate pentahydrate. This salt is otherwise called a blue vitriol. The color of copper sulfate pentahydrate is blue, and the color of copper sulfate monohydrate is blue-white, and the dissolution of copper sulfate in water is a physical change. Part 7. Is soda water acidic or basic? Carbonated water is acidic. The pH of carbonated water is from 3 to 4, which means it's slightly acidic. However, drinking an acidic beverage like carbonated water does not make our body more acidic. Our kidneys and lungs remove excess carbon dioxide. Part 8. Which alkali is commonly used to open a drain? Beta, both liquid and solid forms of strong alkali drain opener have sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Lye is a common name used for sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. Part 9. Write on the chemical equation showing the reaction of ammonia and water. A chemical reaction occurs when ammonia dissolves in water. In aqueous solution, ammonia acts as a base, acquiring hydrogen from water to yield ammonium ion and hydroxide ion. This is the chemical reaction when ammonia having formula NH3 react with water H2O and produce ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. Question number 6.4, part 10. How is litmus solution prepared? Beta, litmus is a water-soluble mixture of different dyes extracted from lichens. It is often adsorbed onto the filter paper to produce one of the oldest form of pH indicator that is used to test the materials for acidity. Thank you.